Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm bringing y'all this quick eye makeup tutorial that I was just playing around, and I was like, oh yeah, I need to record this. So that's why I already have one eye already done, and this is the same eye makeup look that I was wearing on my Shop Jacys haul video that I did, but I'm just priming my eyes with the Amuse Cosmetics concealer. Now this concealer, for me, it is full coverage. Maybe for some other people might not be, but since I don't have that much to cover up, this is full coverage for me. But yeah, I really love it. I did purchase this through JB Eves, and it's only $1. Mostly the eye makeup that I'm using, it is only $1. Really super cheap. You already know I'm always trying to be on the budget and everything. So I'll be using the Shop Jacys pressed powder in beige just to go ahead and set my whole eye. I really love doing this. Really helps me out to get that clear canvas. I'll be using the Coastal Scents eyeshadow. These were $1 when I purchased them, so pretty much that's what I meant about the whole eye makeup look being only $1 makeup. So yes, I am using the Coastal Scents, and I got them on sale for $1. So I want that sharp line. I don't really use this type of technique, but I won't be going ahead and taking my AOA brush with the shade Redwood by Coastal Scents. This is the first time I used them in any type of makeup look, so that's why I was experimenting with them, because since I got them in the mail, I have not even used them. So I really wanted to go with a bright look, so I'm gonna be taking bright tangerine, I believe it's called. I won't be popping that also into the crease. I did not know how this makeup look was gonna go out, so that's why, like I said, I only did one eye. But at the end, it seems like everyone loved it. And yeah, I'm so excited that everything turned out great. These eyeshadows are amazing, guys. Amazing, like amazing. And for the lid, I'm gonna be using one of the JB Eves Princessa shadows. But first, like always, I will be go ahead and cutting the crease. I'm still working on it, guys. Practice almost every single time, because it's kind of hard doing a cut crease. If you have any techniques, please let me know, because your girl has some problems. But I'm gonna just do a half cut crease because I am putting a darker shade. But like I said, I really love these Princessa Baked shadows. I am using them dry here, guys, just so y'all can see the intensity of these eyeshadows. And there are only $1 on the JB Eves app. If you have not purchased them, I have the whole collection, because these are amazing for only $1. Like, amazing. So I'll be taking Indigo by Coastal Scents, and I really love this blue. This is so far my favorite blue. So I'm gonna be putting it to the half of the outer corner of my eye, just so I can blend in the darker shade that I'm gonna put in my outer V, and then I can have that deep kind of blue mixed in with the Princessa blue shadow. And I kind of went, the inspiration on this eye look was when people saw me doing the hauls and everything, and they saw this eyeshadow, like everyone said that shadow gave them mermaid vibes type of thing. So that's how it's like, I want to do something like this, like mermaid type of inspired kind of look. And I think that's how I ended up with this look. Because of y'all said that it gives you like mermaid vibes and all that stuff. So yeah, I'll be using the Malibu Glitz liquid liner. Now this liquid liner, I did get it from Shop Jacys. Oh my god, I already know I'm obsessed with this liner. It is super matte and lasts me all day long. If y'all have not picked it up, I will be using the Alexis lashes by Shop Jacys by the AOA line. You already know Shop Jacys does carry really great lashes, and I'm trying to get used to these lashes. Eyelash glue, it is the Eye Envy by Kiss. This is my all-time favorite everyday, you know, the only thing that I use for lashes. This thing, it is amazing, won't budge at all. So I did the liner, I applied lashes. Now I'll be going on to the face. Now I'll be leaving everything down in the description box, guys, because I was mainly focusing to the eye look. Can't speak today. I was mainly focusing to the eye look instead of more towards the face, but you already know some of y'all liked for me to insert, you know, the face kind of thing. And this day I was super in a rush and everything. How many times am I gonna say everything? I do not know, but I'll be linking everything in the description box as always if y'all want to see what I use. But if you've been following me on my channel for a good while, you already know kind of like the same old products that I always use. And I wasn't even planning to record this video until I saw the eye look came out perfectly and everything, so I'm like, yes, I have to record it. Yeah, mostly all of y'all love this eyeshadow look. Like, y'all told me to do a video. This is the first type of look that y'all told me, hey girl, record this makeup look, and I was so excited. And I've been so busy, guys, but at last I bring y'all the video. I hope y'all enjoyed it and everything, and I guess I'll go ahead and see you on the next one.